Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'm bringing those daily crypto news reports. Today's article goes over Tether claims they were ready for this bank run. Tether CTO declared that Tether was ready for a bank run over a month ago. So because Terra crashed and failed and a lot of people are going, uh-oh, is USDT next? Well, it looks like the Tether company has been preparing for some time now. Let's see. I think for at least over a month ago. Let's see how they prepared for this. Here we go. Tether CTO Paolo Arduano told us last month that Tether was prepared for a bank run. Arduano and the Tether team have run models to simulate a 2008 style financial crisis and believe that it will continue to be able to honor all redemptions even if a similar situation occurs. Tether's peg to the US dollar was rocked yesterday as it fell to 95 cents on a major exchanges such as Binance.us and Coinbase. The token traded below 0.995 for the longest time since March 2020, closing several 4-hour candles below the 0.005 level. Currently, it has recovered to the 0.993, and it looks like the peg may soon be restored. If the peg does come back, then Tether may view a 5% max pain drop and a 48-hour recovery as a successful stress test. However, the potential for this level of volatility could now be priced into the crypto market as a whole. When stablecoins have potential to swing 5%, confidence will undoubtedly be hit. Regarding the current market conditions, Arduano tweeted, reminder that Tether is honoring USDT redemptions at $1. In our interview, Arduano claimed that Tether has never refused redemption. However, it appears that investors need at least $100,000 in Tether to use their redemption service and must be outside of the US unless they qualify as an eligible contract participant. Tether declared that they have serviced over $300 million in Tether's redemption in the past 24 hours. When asked whether Tether will always remain pegged to the dollar, Armano commented, we take into account the worst moments in the history of finance when we have to simulate what a bank run situation would look like on Tether portfolio. Further in the conversation, he states that if we experience a hyperinflation and a pizza costs $1 million, it would also be 1 million USDT. The conversation was focused on the rising global inflation and the hypothetical demise of fiat currency. However, today it is a stablecoins that are in the news cycle with a fear that they may be wiped out amid the volatile market conditions. Watch the full interview here for more insights into how Tether prepared for a bank run. Apologies for the audio and quality due to this technical issue. So yes, you can find it on YouTube with Paulo Ardana speaking. We're ready for a bank run. But in response to a direct request for comments, Tether issued the following statement regarding the current market conditions. Tether is pleased to report that it is business as usual amid some expected market panic following the week's market movements. Tether continues to honor redemptions normally, with verified customers in allowed jurisdictions able to redeem USDT on Tether for the USD $1. In the last 24 hours alone, Tether has honored over 300 million USDT redemptions and is already processing more than 2 billion today without issue. Tether has maintained its stability through multiple black swan events and high volatile market conditions. And even in its darkest days, Tether has never once failed to honor a redemption request from any of its verified customers. Tether will continue to do so, which has always been its practice. Tether is the most liquid stablecoin in the market, backed by a strong conservative portfolio that consists of cash and cash equivalents, such as a short-term treasury bills, money market funds, and commercial paper holdings from A2 and above-rated issuers. The value of Tether's reserves is published daily and updated once per day. You can find the most recent information here at http tether.to transparency. All right, so let's take a look at that article. But yeah, so they were ready, they were prepared, they got some assets backing it. They will redeem the USDT to $1 ratio. But again, yeah, let's pop into that website to get what did they say about that? Like you can find all the transactions information here. All right, except page not found. What? You're giving us a page not found? Go to homepage, tether.to. Because what was the what was that final thing? Scrolling down. Transparency. Okay, so they don't have the transparency. There we go. So this is the page they were going for. All Tether tokens are pegged to 1-to-1 with a matching fiat currency and are backed 100% by Tether's reserves. The value of our reserves is published daily and updated at least once per day. So let's see, we got USDT in Tether, EURT in Tether, XAU. So you can see what there is in the reports and reserves. So you can keep an eye on it already here, and it's all daily. So that's cool. Okay, so that link was an actual link. But yeah, so Tether's still here. We'll see what happens. We're in a shakeout right now in the markets. Could be blood red for another week or two. We don't know when the bottom is officially going to hit, but once we do spike, a lot of coins will get left behind, and the ones that actually have use case and are helping build for a better future will survive and definitely rise very nicely. So again, I hope you guys like this article. If so, smash that thumbs up button, like and subscribe to this video. I felt like I said that wrong. Oh, my bad. I'm about to do an interview with David Scott, so tune in over there. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.